Office Jong Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Jowai Territorial Division Jowai kalapenlong ya ka rally kam awareness program kum shibenta jong ka Jal Shakti Abhayan Halor kapang catch the rain where it falls and when it falls. Ki khna school na ki school bapher ha Jowai kile shimbenta hagani ka program. Haba ai Jingpynneh hagani ka program o officer jong ka Soil and Water Conservation Jowai Territorial Division iba tiwar lapen shlor ki khna school ban pendan kam de kisla ki bala ban put haga jaka jong ki foil bat ki plastic ilakan turu yaki bakinra la ujong ubilor haka jaka bantiet yaka na kidukan hashwa yakani ki khna school klay lumlang haduk hamadan daimasi la thalabo nakabenta ka jingyat Paidbah kabala pledo additional deputy commissioner Jowai upike boro ki khna school klay ya nakamadan daimasi la thalabo shadu ka office jong soil and water conservation hamu wamon mi mintu da kabara ringkat ki plakat hakani ka sngi la penlong ru ya ka jingya kop tho SC halor ka phang pedeng.
You want to say that biggest spring because are you ready to go outside and tell everyone that this is the commitment we make? So whenever we have any sort of meeting, whenever we have any sort of get together, this is the flint we'll use, and with this we'll tie. This is not a new thing. This is a thing which has been taught to us by our forefathers.
We need to change. If we want to change it, we must have it to supply, to save our generations to come. That's why today's program that we have got along with placards showing different slogans. Definitely, it will create awareness to other people.